Fellas, tired of walking around looking like a slob with your shirt hanging out or your pants falling down? I think that's far enough, ladies. What's a man to do? You gotta get a grip, get a belt, get yourself a grip belt. Made in the USA, grip belt. This belt is infinitely adjustable, cut to size, will not slip, it's fashionable, and again, made in the USA. I went down to my local Blue Birch Outfitters here in Milford, Michigan. Shout out to Blue Birch. They had exactly what I was looking for. So I got my belt. I'm going to show you how to assemble the belt and then how to adjust it for size if need be. Alright, you unfold your belt. You got your finish side out. On the inside, there's a product logo. So one end of the belt has this little hard plastic tab. You're going to want to feed the belt through from the back side. So there's a curve. Feed through from the back side. Go all the way through. Then you're going to want to, you can put it through your belt loops, but for test fitting, that's not really necessary. So what's going on? I've got way too much extra belt over here. Now grip, they say to leave about 7 or 8 inches of material before you cut it off. My suggestion is you get your favorite pair of jeans and you want to make sure that you're going to go past the first belt loop, and I would personally go past the second belt loop to make sure that it stays tucked in, unless you're going to cut it extra short so it only goes just past the first belt loop. But if you go and put 50 pounds on, maybe your belt wouldn't fit. So it's kind of up to you how far you want to cut it. It's looking like if I go to the second belt loop, that might be a little far. So I'm going to go about halfway between the first belt loop and the second belt loop. So I'm going to mark it with a Sharpie. Silver Sharpie, my favorite. Alright, take the belt off. It's as simple as this to make it fit the length. Take a pair of nice sharp scissors. Cut it off. Now you can cut it straight like that, or you can cut a little dog ear and another little dog ear, or just one dog ear. I kind of like the look of just having one dog ear. So I'm just going to cut the one. Now because this is nylon, you don't want it to fray. You got to go ahead and light it with just a regular standard lighter. You don't want to set it on fire or get it melting or anything. You just want to make sure that it kind of solidifies so that it won't fray. Alright, so now to put the belt on, just put it on like a normal belt and feed it through your belt loops. Alright, so now I got a normal belt. You would go over top and stick it through the belt loop over here. On one of these Grip6 belts, you're actually going to go through from the front to the back, and you're going to tuck it in behind. So you just want to feed it through, pull it, and then you can pull it as tight as you want. I'm not going to pull it tight until I tuck my shirt in, but you can pull it as tight as you want, and this thing will not let go. I'll bet you could hang a person, like carry them around like a 6-pack of beer from this belt. So like I said in the beginning of the video, I don't want to be a slob. I'm going to tuck my shirt in, look like a professional, tighten my belt up, and I'm ready to seize the day. Grip6 made in the USA. Blue Birch Outfitters, get you some.